Okay, so we're here, this is Destructoid, we're here with John Spinale for OnLive, and we're here to talk about what just confuses me in my head. How does this work?
Well, so OnLive is providing games on demand to a very thin client device down in your home. It can be your PC, Macintosh, or our micro console. And what we're really doing is we're actually running big high-end gaming servers up in data centers that we've custom built just for this purpose, and then we stream it down to you at speeds that are so fast that it feels like it's local.
Well, a good science fiction writer once said that any type of sufficiently developed science is indistinguishable from magic. Convince me that this isn't magic.
Well, you just have to try it for yourself, in all honesty. We can sit at whiteboards and talk about it, but at the end of the day, the proof's in the pudding.
Okay, so can we see this in action?
Absolutely. Let's play.
Tom, do you want to play this?
So if you go up to the arena there, a little bit to the left, you can see in a little bit more detail. These are people playing games. These people, and click on the A button, you can bring it in and watch them. Find something that you like, boom, now you're watching it. If it's a multiplayer game, you can actually just jump right into a session live. So what's happening now is you're actually being transferred over to a server that has Crysis running on it, and then we're binding in your user data, so all your save game and your profile information's there. And so, here we have Crysis. So there was no trip to the store required, no long install, no GPU or CPU in your home, and you're seeing the same beautiful visuals that you would find pretty much anywhere else.
So what's the community feel like?
Community is just a massive part of OnLive, and these are your friends playing games, and these are my friends playing games, really. And so if they're online, you can see what game they're playing, and if they're offline, you can watch just generally what's up with their profile and get a video avatar as part of the platform out of the gate. And then in your profile is where you share sort of more kind of Facebooky style activity logs, what's been going on in your world, essentially, in addition to game clips that you've saved.
What are brag clips?
This is pretty much my favorite part of what we're doing right now. So brag clips, since our platform's all about moving video around, to users in their homes, it's also moving around in our network is pretty good. And so brag clips allow you to actually save your highlights within gaming. So if you do something really cool, you just hit a single button, you record a brag clip.
Crash into something awesome, Hamza. That was the opposite of awesome.
And then you can share that with your friends instantaneously. So that gets saved to your profile, and then everybody can see it. And then they can rate and rank it. And if you did something really cool, they'll say thumbs up. And if it's not so cool, then they'll kind of pan.
So do I have to press the record button before I think I'm going to do something cool, or I can press it after and it'll retroactively record?
Kind of like TiVo, you can retroactively record. So it gets a 15-second clip, most of which is right behind you. So you don't have to think in advance, I'm about to do something cool. It's just, hey, that was pretty neat, record.
What would you say still needs the most work out of all the things on OnLive?
I mean, I think what we're showing here, the reason we've kept behind the scenes for 7 years in stealth mode is that we've really tried to come out with a fully fleshed out, fully baked service. But fundamentally, this is a fully working platform, and so what we're going to be doing now is testing it, make sure it works in a variety of situations as we go through our beta cycles. But I think what everyone's going to see from the show here at GDC is that this thing really works, which is usually the biggest question: is how can you make that happen?
All right, well, thank you very much for your time.
Hey, thanks a lot. Thanks for coming.
We appreciate the look at the system.
Glad you like it.